How to uninstall application files on PC using your BlueStack application. So without further any ado, let's get started. Simply head over to your BlueStack application and make sure you have successfully installed your APK files. So to uninstall or delete or remove your application, that is .apk files from your BlueStack application, what you need to do is simply long press on the particular application which you want to delete and just click on uninstall from over here, and as you can see you will get the pop-up menu which will ask you to uninstall, and just like that you have successfully uninstalled your APK files from the BlueStack application. So that's it guys, that's exactly how you can easily uninstall your application from your BlueStack application. And if it was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more tech videos like this.